matter becomes structured in this episode. In episode 4, you learned that leptons belong to the dodecahedral 12pi class of tetrayonic geometries. Their same charge fascia produce strong repulsion between the three tetraons that compose them, forcing the three-pole quantum rotor topology, stabilized by the weak force, inductive coupling of m-dipole momenta along the axis of rotation. Now we introduce the second major class of matter geometries, quarks. Quarks are not point particles. They are tetryonic charge assemblies whose fractional charges arise from strong force attraction between opposite tetryon charge fascia. Quarks belong to the dodecahedral family, but not the 12pi rotor class of leptons. Instead, quarks form 8pi octahedral mass matter topologies. The distinction is geometric. Leptons, same charge fascia lead to strong repulsion, forced into 12pi three-pole rotors. Quarks, mixed charge fascia led to strong attraction, forced into 8pi octahedral mass matter nodes. This attraction is the strong nuclear force in its true geometric form. The strong force is not mediated by gluons, it is not a gauge field, it is not a color charge interaction. The strong force is the attraction of opposite tetryon charge fascia that combine to form an octahedral 8pi topology. When opposite charges meet, they lock together. They hide four parallel charged fascia inside the octahedron. They produce net exposed charges of -8, -4, +4, and +8. These are the true geometric origins of the standard models, -1,3, +1,3, -2,3, and +2,3. Fractional charge is not a property. It is the ratio of exposed versus hidden tetryonic charge fascia. A quark's charge is determined by how many charge fascia are exposed, how many are hidden inside the octahedral 8pi topology, and how many are neutralized by opposite charge attraction. This produces four possible net charge states, -8, -4, +4, and +8. These are the only two stable fractional charge geometries, and their antimatter equivalents, possible in an 8pi tetryonic assembly. The standard model's up and down quarks correspond to two of the four possible tetryonic charge exposures. Up quark +2,3 equals +8 tetryonic charge, two positive fascia exposed. Opposite charges are hidden inside the octahedron, net exposed charge +8. Down quark -1 to 3 equals -4 tetryonic charge, one negative fascia exposed. Opposite charges are neutralized internally, net exposed charge -4. These are the only two stable quark geometries in nature. All other quark flavors are energy-scaled versions of these two. A quark cannot exist in isolation because its fractional charge fascia require complementary exposure. Its octahedral 8pi topology is incomplete without neighboring quarks. Its hidden parallel fascia seek to form complete assemblies. This is the geometric origin of quark confinement. Quarks are not confined by a force, they are confined by incomplete geometry. Only when quarks combine do they form a complete stable mass matter topology. Three quarks combine to form a baryon, but the quarks are only the fractional charge exposure points of a deeper structure. A 20pi quasi-icosahedral shell with 36 charged fascia, 9 tetryonic substructures, and 3 exposed fractional charge nodes. This is the true geometry of protons, neutrons, all baryonic matter, and all atomic nuclei. The quarks are simply the visible charge exposure points of a 20pi shell. The standard model's UD and UD assignments are incorrect. The correct tetryonic geometries are as follows. Proton UDU, up quark +8, down quark -4, up quark +8, net +12. This is +1 elementary charge. The proton is always and only UDU. These geometries are fixed and non-negotiable. Neutron DUD, down quark -4, up quark +8, down quark -4, net 0, the neutron is always and only DUD. Just as leptons come in 3 generations, quarks come in 6 flavors because the 8pi topology can be excited. The 8pi octahedral topology can be excited to higher KEM energy states, increasing energy density while preserving geometry. The fractional charge exposure remains the same, only the KEM field content changes. U, C, T are the +8 family, D, S, B are the -4 family. Flavor is not a property, flavor is energy content in a fixed geometry. Quarks are octahedral charge assemblies. In summary, quarks are 8pi octahedral tetryonic charge assemblies. Fractional charge arises from hidden versus exposed tetryon fascia. The strong force is opposite charge fascia attraction. Baryons are 20pi quasi-icosahedral shells with 36 charged fascia. Protons are UDU, neutrons are DUD. Quark confinement is geometric, not force-mediated. These are the two fundamental geometries. Let's build the unified physics engine for humanity. The universe has a shape. Now, it has a voice.